I honestly didn't expect Tesla to give me a Christmas present this year, but I'm so excited about this update. Let's check it out. What's poppin', what's Gucci guys? If you're new to the channel, welcome. If you're a subscriber, welcome back. I am so excited about today's video because I'm going over 2020.48.26, which if you didn't know is the software update, also known as the Christmas software update. And guys, there's so many improvements in the car with this update, so let's not waste another moment, let's check them out. Alright, so before I go into the release notes, you may have noticed that the entire touchscreen pretty much looks different. For example, the Tesla T logo is no longer available, and also the design of the car looks different here as well. Previously, the car would be facing upwards, and then you can unlock the car still, and you can open the trunk in the trunk. This way, it looks so much cleaner though. It actually looks futuristic. On the top left here is where it shows whether you're in park, reverse, neutral, or drive. And then down here, you may have noticed that it looks a little bit different because the color scheme is different. Anyways, let's go down the list of what the new releases are. So the first thing that we see here is the Battle of Polytopia, which is an award-winning turn-based strategy game with low poly graphics. I haven't gotten a chance to play with it yet because honestly, I just got the update yesterday night, and then I don't know. I'm making this video now. However, I'm super excited about this game because you can compare your own scores to other Tesla owners. Next, what we have is Cat Quest. It looks kind of interesting. I don't know what to expect. It looks to be sort of like an MMORPG where you can dominate monsters, level up, and things like that. In order to play this game, you will need a game controller, so unfortunately, I don't have one of those yet. I do need to get one as soon as possible though. Next, we have a classic game which I'm really excited about. I love Solitaire, and I've been playing Solitaire since I was a little kid. Basically, the goal of this game is to match the same suits to each other and then eventually have them all up here. So you start with the ace, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, all the way up to the king. And while it sounds so simple, it's also really fun. So I'm excited to start playing this when I'm supercharging my car or when I'm just charging in general. Now, before I go into the Boombox feature, which is the best feature in this update, I'm gonna go over this stuff first. So there is driving visualization improvements, as you can see from the touchscreen. So previously the speedometer was more so in the middle, autopilot was, I believe it was on the left side here. So it's all changed around, and I don't know if I like it yet. It looks different, so I guess with that change, I should like it. Or at least it'll take some time to get used to, which I'm sure a lot of people feel the same way. But the point of this feature is to allow more room so you can see more of your surroundings. Also, what you may have noticed is that the rear camera, as well as the windshield wipers, are down here in the touch bar as well. The next update on the list is the scheduled departure improvement. You can now precondition your battery and cabin even when your car is unplugged. So for those of you who are in the cold weather areas where you really need to precondition your car before you go, this is perfect for you in case you don't really need to charge your car and you just want a warm car to go into. Or if you're in a really hot area, you can precondition your car so that the AC is on. And what makes it even better is that now you can set the time on when your off-peak hours are. This way you're not spending a ton of money on electricity. Definitely a huge game changer for all Tesla owners. The next update is kind of silly. It's the emissions testing mode improvements, which is also known as the whoopee cushion. So you can now use the whoopee cushion outside of the car, and we'll test it out in just a little bit. The second and last update is the Supercharger display improvements. So instead of actually clicking into the Supercharger itself, it'll show a number showing how many available stalls there are. It's not like a huge change, but I guess it's convenient, right? And if we just go out here and take a look, voila, there's 13 available stalls here, here, and here, and then 11 down here. Lastly, what we have is the vehicle information update, which basically is the removal of the Tesla T up here. Very simple, but let's go into the Boombox feature and then also the emissions testing mode now. Alright, and just for fun, I'm going to pretend that I'm an ice cream truck and I'm just going to play the music out loud. So this is what it sounds like. Alright, so that's what it sounds like. So I'm going to take you guys outside now and then play it from the external speakers. Can you guys hear that? It looks like the speakers are coming out from here. I just think that that's so funny. So whenever you're driving around the neighborhood, you could just play that and kids will think that you're the ice cream man. All right, lastly, let's test out the whoopee cushion. Alright you guys, so those are basically all the updates inside 2020.48.26. Again, like I said in the beginning of the video, I did not expect this update, so it was like a Christmas surprise from Tesla itself. And like I've said in many of my other videos, Teslas will just keep improving over time through software updates. So if you don't have a Tesla right now, definitely consider buying one. I highly recommend it. And if you do end up deciding to buy one, make sure to use my referral code down below. As soon as you take delivery, you're gonna get 1,000 free supercharging miles, and I'll get 1,000 free supercharging miles as well. So it's a win-win situation. Anyway, I hope you guys had a really great Christmas and hope you have an even better New Year. And if you enjoyed today's video, make sure to give it a thumbs up and subscribe down below. But as always, thank you all so much for watching, and I'll see you next time. Peace. Oh my god, you guys, as I was about to leave, I totally forgot about these features because frankly, I did not see them. But here's what they are. It's the horn sound, the driving sound, and the summon sound. You can actually change what it sounds like. So for example, I'm gonna have La Cucaracha and just preview it. That is just hilarious, and it's so loud. I feel like I'm just gonna drive around today and just play the sound just for fun. Anyways, let me know down below if I missed anything else, but I'll see you guys next time.